I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video I will show how to make Greek lentil soup only way. Start by prepping vegetables and measuring ingredients precisely. Heat olive oil in a large pot, then sauté onion, carrot, and celery until translucent. Add garlic and tomato paste briefly to bloom flavors. Stir in lentils, oregano, broth, and bring to a simmer. Cook gently until lentils are tender, then finish with lemon juice and adjust salt and pepper. Begin by heating olive oil and sautéing onion, carrot, and celery until soft and fragrant. Add garlic and tomato paste, stirring briefly to release aromas. Pour in rinsed lentils, oregano, and vegetable broth, then bring to a gentle simmer. Cook uncovered until lentils are tender but not mushy, checking occasionally and skimming foam. Finish by stirring in fresh lemon juice and a drizzle of olive oil, then taste and season. Quick recommendation: if you love prepping soups like this, try those leak-proof containers for easy storage and transport. They make life less messy and more organized. I find they stack nicely in the fridge and save bowls for later. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Ladle the soup into bowls and serve with crusty bread or a scoop of cooked rice for added substance. Sprinkle chopped parsley and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil on top for freshness and sheen. Offer lemon wedges so guests can add more brightness. Reheat gently on the stove or in a microwave and store leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for quick meals during the week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.